Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training, and today I have a upper body strength and tone workout for you. This is going to be great. So we got 4 exercises coming your way. We're gonna start up with some alternating punches because you know me, I like to move my body. So here we go. We got 30 seconds on for each exercise. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So now we're just focusing on alternating, punching forward. You can put your hips into it if you'd like, but just really ground yourself. Use your core. Your core should be tight. Boom. There it is. Keep it going. Keep those arms straight out in front of you. As you can see, I'm turning my hips over slightly. Almost becomes more of an oblique twist. Boom. Right here, we're not focusing on proper fighting technique. We are working out, baby. There it is. Just extend your arm as forward as you can. Boom. 3, 2, 1, and done. Oh, I already feel warmed up. But next, we have an overhead press and pull down. Here we go. Feet shoulder width apart. Slight bend in your knees. Again, engage that core. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Arm is going to be a 90-degree angle. We're pressing up and we're going to pull down as if we're doing a lateral. We're going to feel it in the back of our arms here. Boom. Pull those elbows down. Press up. It's like you're fighting against gravity, so it's almost like an isometric squeeze. We're pushing up. Boom. You're going to feel it in your triceps, in your shoulders, and especially your lats right over here. Boom, have a nice cadence to it. Really fight against it. Now, if you're just doing this, come on, that's not doing nothing. You gotta really press and pull. 3, 2, 1, and down. Shake out your arms. Next, we have TYIs. You know the drill if you've been with us long enough, but I'll walk you through it if you don't. Feet shoulder width apart again. Slight hinge, core is tight. We're starting with T this time. We're bringing our arms out to the side into a T. Bring them 45 degrees in front of us into a Y, and then directly in front of us into an I. We are focusing on our shoulders, baby. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So we got our T, boom, we got our Y, and I. Really reach as far forward as you can. There it is, boom. My back is flat, my core is tight, my feet are grounded. Yes, this is working out your shoulders, but I know for a fact, if you're not feeling it in your abs, you're doing it wrong. This should engage your full body. There it is, boom, you're crushing it. 3, 2, 1, let's just finish strong with this last I. Down, great job. Next, we have some walnut crushers. Pretend, if you will, for a second that there is a walnut between your shoulder blades, and we don't want it there anymore, okay? So we are going to crush it. We're just bringing our elbows up, similar to the pull down, but now we're just bringing them at a 45-degree angle like this, and we are crushing that walnut between our shoulder blades. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it, boom. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. People like to say put a pencil between your shoulder blades, but I'm like, walnut's a little easier of a target to aim for, and it's a little more visually stimulating anyway. Boom, there it is. Squeeze those shoulder blades. See from this side, really squeeze it. Boom, hold it for a second or two while you're down there, squeeze. If you feel any tension or anything that doesn't feel right, then let up. We're not trying to hurt ourselves here. 3, 2, 1, and down. I don't know about you, but my arms are on fire, but we have one more to go. We're gonna do some arm jacks. So like, what is an arm jack? Well, here is your normal jumping jack. You're jumping, you're doing jacks, but now instead of the jumping motion, we're just focusing on the arms. I know it seems super silly, but you are gonna hate me by the end of these 30 seconds because your arms are gonna fall off. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Stand up, I should say feet closer together. I have a nice, small little hinge in my back. My knees are slightly bent. Boom, arms overhead. Bring them out in front of me. It's right about right now where your arm is gonna start feeling fatigued, but hey, you keep going until the bell. There it is. Come on. There it is. Keep it going. I mean, hey, you could be doing jumping jacks right now, so you should thank me. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, we are trying to strengthen and tone our upper body, and this is how we do it. Here we go. Alt punch. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
3, 2, 1, done. Overhead press and pull down. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. TYI, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. Walnut crushers, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. Arm jack, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Great job. 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Come on, push yourself. I know your arms are tired, mine are too. We just got 1 more set, 5 exercises stand between you and the end of this workout. So let's dig deep. We got this. We start right now.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, done. Overhead press and pull down. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. TYI, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. Walnut crushers, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. Arm jack, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. And there you have it. That was your upper body strength and tone workout. Hopefully you're looking in the mirror right now and be like, dang, I feel like I gained strength and tonality in my muscles. I feel like I did. I feel like I got that pump. I got, everything going. I'm ready to tackle the day. I feel good, and hopefully you do too. And go ahead, if you haven't already, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts dropping. Just like this one on the daily from Coach Mayer, Coach Gabby, and myself. So I will see you in the next video, my friends. Stay strong. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.